Welcome to Diane's channel. Yes, I have not stopped, right? I am here back at Dave's joint Jamaican restaurant and sports bar because Dave said to me, you have to meet another Jamaican who has been living in Ghana just under 3 years. And so running up and down, let me tell you, once I hear Jamaican, Dianes has to come. So right in front of me, we have the lovely Angela. Angela, welcome. Welcome to the channel. Right? A pleasure to have you. Now, and guess what? I'm going to want you to talk a little bit louder because I hear one or two of my audience commenters saying that it's too low. Yes, guys, I'm going to try to sort that out, okay? So we're going to just speak a little bit more louder, I guess. But Angela, we're going to start the usual. Tell me, where were you born?
I was born in St. Andrews, Jamaica.
What year did you leave Jamaica and where did you go?
Well, my mother brought me to Canada at the age of 16 in 1974.
Wow. And how long did you live in Canada?
Believe it or not, almost 48 years.
Wow!
All of my life.
Wow!
Practically.
Wow! So, have you ever been on the continent of Africa before?
Not until about 4 years ago I went to South Africa.
Wow.
And I didn't feel like I was in Africa. It was too much like Canada.
Okay. So how did Ghana come upon your radar? Destination Ghana.
A past friend of mine fell in love with a Ghanaian guy online.
He
Invited us both to Accra. And when I got here, they loved me more than her. So the friendship broke.
Wait, liquor. Story, guys. Drop like a bit because Dan is going to drop. Angela, I beg you. Just rewind for me now. Start that thing there from the
A friend of mine, past friend of mine, fell in love with a Ghanaian guy online. He invited us both to Ghana, and when I got here, they loved me more than her, and the friendship broke.
Papa. All right, continue.
And so I fell in love with Ghana the first time I came.
Yeah.
And I decided to come back and buy land. Then I come back and pay for that land and decided to build on that land in Accra. And a few misfortunes happened, and then I came to KUMASI. And that's where I'm residing right now.
So exactly how long have you been in Ghana?
I've been living here 2 years.
2 years. So you had a few misfortunes. It did not deter you, right? You just moved from Accra in KUMASI.
Yes.
How long have you been living in KUMASI?
About almost 2 years.
Oh, so you
sorry, a year and a little bit.
A year plus.
Yes.
Okay. So how you find it?
I love all of Ghana, to be honest,
Yeah.
the parts that I've seen. And even with the challenges, I would never trade it for the West.
Wow.
This is where I find my peace.
Jesus. Very, this guys, you see this thing called peace, you don't even understand when we talk about this peace, right? Angela Key had some challenges, misfortunes, is what she said. All she did was move in KUMASI, but Destination Ghana is still live and direct. So, are you fully retired or, you're working, you have a business?
I have a shop and I will have a boutique in the next 3 months.
Yeah.
And I'm mentoring and I'm helping. I've set up a young lady in Kasawa in a beautician shop, and I've helped somebody in KUMASI in a restaurant. My sister and I have supported that person. I have helped orphanage in Sampa, and my intention with my sister and some of my church family is to build a school classroom for some children in the Bona region.
Awesome. Philanthropy. This is it right there, right? But the shop that you presently have, what do you do? What's the nature of
It's
the
called Ahaya Enterprise because Ahaya is the name of our God. I
Yes.
am that I am in Hebrew.
Yes.
And I sell clothing. I sell household stuff.
Yes.
And also things for carpenters, like hammers. It's a wholesale stuff.
So could we say Jamaica term would say like a haberdashery or
Yes.
a little bit of every little thing?
Yeah, the one-stop shop.
One-stop shop haberdashery. And for the other audience that not to understand hardware, what would the Americans refer to it as? Similar to like what? A Walmart?
Yes.
A little bit of
A
everything?
little small miniature like Costco.
Yes, yes,
That
yes.
is the intention.
And that is located here in KUMASI.
In KUMASI, in Coco Bend.
Okay, so this is small business you're talking. So
Yes.
I'm going to give you the opportunity to give us the address that per anybody wants to get anything a one-stop all-in-one, they could come by you. Would you like that?
I don't have the exact address because in Ghana it's kind of hard to say address.
Yes.
But if you come into Coco Bend
Yeah.
and you ask for the Ebenezer House,
Yeah.
near the MTN Tower, you will find the shop.
Awesome,
That is the direct direction.
awesome, awesome. And so, how do are you here with family or did you make the trip on your own?
Ghana people are my family,
Yeah.
but blood relative, no.
Yes, yes.
I yet to find my tribe. I'm using the open space in my teeth to locate them. Because I hear not many Ghanaian has the open space.
Yes,
And so
yes.
if you find people with open space, they are your family.
Yeah. What? So tell me, Angelo, a message. We are females here doing this thing. What would you say if there is anyone out there, whether the lady is a divorcee, widow, solo, and say, can she just come and relocate?
Yes.
Is Africa? Can she survive?
She can if she plan it well.
Okay.
Do not come to Ghana without a plan.
Yes.
There is no jobs here. The women in Ghana work very hard and they taught me something very well. They are all entrepreneurs.
Yes.
We were not meant to work for anyone.
Yes. True.
So she can survive if she has a plan. And if she connected with sister like Sister Diane, Sister Angela, and other sister that I can't mention right now.
Yeah.
But she will have a sisterhood that she can join forces with.
Angelo, this is what we're going to call short, sweet, and spicy.
Exactly.
Any other jewel you want, drop on the audience here. 2 years, you're still early days. In comparison to your 2 years, I am like still a crawl. But I still am motivated when I meet persons like yourself. And again, we know that in life, there are no better roses. Sometimes you have to plant your 2 rows. But if you're determined, and as you said, peace, then we'll make it work,
Yes.
right? So, in closing, is there anything else you want to share?
I just want to give a final thought. First, make a higher your center, which is the Most High. Trust your gut. Trust no one, but trust your gut, and you cannot miss the mark. Ghana is the place to be.
It's not the future, it's now. You would agree?
I agree totally, my sister.
Boom! Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell.
Much
May
love.
that say one love. God bless.